Hello guys, welcome back to another one. In this time we're gonna be working with this Veloster. What we're gonna be working is the bushings on the rear subframe. Basically when you're driving this car and you turn it side to side, it starts swiggling side to side. I already replaced the suspension and it's still doing that thing. So what we're gonna be doing is switching the bushings. I'm gonna be showing you how they are and how they look. So as you can see, this side is moving way less than the other side. You see, he has to do a lot of pressure. But the other side, that side is moving like nothing. And that's why the car, it feels like waving side to side. So we're gonna be removing all this out so we can work with those bushings. So we're gonna be losing this 19, 12, and then we're gonna be losing the brake pedal to see we're not trying to remove it out, and the suspension, and then the spring, it will be coming out. We're doing the same process in the other side. I'm just gonna be recording one side. The ABS line, we're gonna remove it. This brake pedal, we're gonna leave it hanging so we don't have to be bleeding the cables and nothing like that. I mean the oil. We're putting a jack in the middle so it can stable it when we lose it completely. We lose the strut already, and now we're almost ready to drop it down, and the springs are gonna come out. This is the bushings that we need to remove. Um, they're not that bad, it's just that they're old. Oh, this one is a little bit bad. It's kind of hard to see it, but they're bad. Alright guys, so we already placed it, but we did one side already. I wanted to know how hard it was before I start recording. A couple things I need to say. The first thing is, when you guys do this kind of jobs, this line and this hole, it has to be aligned like this one. So we already did this one. It's a little bit crooked, but it's not that bad. Another thing, this job, the way that we're doing it is not how it should be done, but we're doing the job and it can be done. It should be doing with a compressing tool and stuff like that. I don't have that, but I got that vice, so I'm gonna be using that as a compressing tool, but it shouldn't be like that. So I know it's not the correct way how to do it. Same thing to remove the bushing. We are not doing it the correct way, but it works for us. So if you guys trying to do this, it's gonna be kind of hard to do it by yourself without the tools, without the correct tools, but it can be done. So I'm gonna be showing you how we're doing it. It's gonna take us a while, but it can be done. It took us an hour to do it, but we did it. It's all the way flush over here. So now we're gonna align it, and then I'm gonna start recording after we align it. We already got it on the jack, and now we're gonna raise it up. So before, at these miles that I'm doing right now, I'm just doing this for the video. Before, I couldn't do this, because if I do this, I will lose control, even at 60 miles per hour. So now I can be going at 80 and look. So that means that the bushings, it was the problem in this car. And besides that, obviously it's gonna be alignment that I need to do it, even though that in the back it doesn't get the alignment, but in the front it does. Alright guys, hopefully you guys learned something from this. Like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.